Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can declare a record class in Java. And we will also learn how it is linked with data class of Kotlin and what is the benefit for using record class. So first of all, I tell you that we know the encapsulation. In encapsulation we have a private variable and we access those private variable with the help of getter and setter public methods that we also use for POSO classes, like we want to use JSON. So nowadays every application use API, and for API we use JSON library and JSON syntax POSO. We called POSO that in Java. So it was very tedious in Java if we compare with data class in Kotlin. So it's very simple data class in Kotlin and we are able to do fast coding. So that is the update in Java also in as a record like data class in Kotlin. So what is the benefit and how it is beneficial that we are going to discuss. So first of all, I create here a one class, I say student. Try to remember that this student is a class. Here in this class I declare this variable name and then I say int roll number and I say string course like this. I save it, then I right click on this and I try to go to the source and I generate getter and setter method and I select all and I create generate like this. And remember that code, and I want to use toString. So what I do, I just go to source and I say generate toString and I select all the fields and I generate this toString like this. Remember, now I also want to create a constructor. So I try to create a constructor also. So I say create constructor with fields, all fields and constructor we have. So if I pass name, roll number and course here, then I can use get name, set name, these type of functions I can use. I can use toString also. You see this much of code I am using and I am saving this. Now I am using this here and I say student s equal to new student and I am passing here name Dr. Vipin, then I say roll number 1 and then I say course PhD like this, semicolon, and I say system dot out dot println, I pass s. So this type of code I do and I try to execute it. So you see the output here with the help of this class. It's a normal way, older Java. Now I create a new class and that I say record class. Here I pass employee and I create it. Here in this constructor I pass string name int empid and I say string company like this. I save this. Now I go to here and I say employee equal to new employee and I pass here again Dr. Vipin Tevatia. I say empid is 123. I say company is kite like this. Save it and I say system.out.println and I say here e. I save it, try to run it. You see the same Same output I am getting here, and you see the how much of code I written here. And one more thing I want to show you, that I can also access a single value like this, get name like this, save it, and it will display only name. Similarly, I can also have here name, but I'm not having a get, remember, but I can access name, I can access employee ID, I can access company name. I need to remember name only, that is name, empid and company. So without using a get keyword, I can access this also. So I am not doing a single line of code, remember that. Only this variable declaration, each and everything is done automatically by this record class. Otherwise in older Java we are doing like this. So confusing. Simple one line of code and we have the same output, even better output. So you see the magic of record class. So like this you can use now record class like a data class in Kotlin. I think you have learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.